Hi, I am speaking from MK Financials, and today we would be analyzing gold prices on Comex. What we are seeing here is that after the rise from this region, the gold prices shot up to 1800, and from there onwards they are moving in a downward sloping channel. Yesterday a magical thing happened, and this is very bullish pattern for the prices, and this is a real class act. A hammer with enough volumes has been formed, and the support has been taken at the lower end of the Bollinger Band as well as the downward sloping channel. So what happens next? The first thing is that the 200 DMA poses a great resistance here, and before that we should be very much acknowledging a fact that the price band of 1640 to 1630, a bit of a change here and there, is a rock solid support, beyond which if prices really break this support, all hell will break loose. So after a hammer we are very bullish on the prices, and the first resistance is in the form of 200 DMA, which will be taken up on the Monday, and the next resistance is 1672, and this is what you can say an anchor bar, and this anchor bar, and from here the prices actually drew steeply down, and also that has got some past preference. So what we can say is that two resistances in the coming days if are taken, that means a 200 DMA and 1672, we are bullish on gold. Now what we see here is a weekly chart of the gold, and what we acknowledge the fact that for the last decade prices on a weekly basis never closed below the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and this time this trend was threatened, but then the prices, what we are seeing here is a rickshaw man, a doji star. So this instability will go away, and prices if never closes below the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and if manage to closes away the 50-week moving average, it will be really bullish on for the gold prices. Now what we watched in the silver is the same trend, the downward sloping channel, and again a real rock solid pattern called hammer. This 29.63 to 29 is a real god support, beyond which prices should not go. Of course there will be a whole lot of bearishness in the silver prices on the Comex. The same with the weekly chart of the Comex. So prices are finding support at this level, and this is again a rickshaw man and the doji star, and prices first bullish sign should come that the prices should close above the 50-week moving average. There is an interesting thing that is happening on the dollar index, and the dollar index is exhibiting, after a run, is exhibiting a head and shoulder pattern, and a clean head and shoulder, geometrically very nice, which has got a neckline at around 78.5 region. The beauty happened that the resistance came yesterday, that means on Friday, in the form of 200-day moving average. So till the time the dollar index is not beyond 82, the bearishness in the dollar index remains there. And the beautiful point in the dollar index is that yesterday it has got a shooting star right at the resistance. So dollar index is in a bearish trend, and we suppose this bodes well for the gold. The same different is happening to the euro dollar thing. Euro dollar is having an inverse head and shoulder with this as a neckline. The first sign of bullishness was there when this trend line was broken. Second, this trend line was broken, and now this trend line is providing the support. And also there was a breakout. Now there is a pullback, and with this pullback now prices should go much above what we cannot even imagine. All this scenario pulls out real good for gold and silver prices on Comex, and we are bullish with the support as highlighted in the back films. Thank you very much.